Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a drop to template that is going to make you sound like a pro. You can use this drop to template for many functions like passing chords, talk music, harmonization, and cadences. So let's jump right into it. All right, first let's learn what drop to means. Drop to means taking the second highest note in a chord an octave downward. So for example, if you take C major triad root position, the second highest note is E. The first highest is G. This is the highest note. The second highest is E. Now we take that E an octave down. So this is C major triad root inversion, drop 2. Let's try one more example. Let's say A minor. Okay, the second highest note in this chord is C. All right, E is the first highest, the second highest is C. We take the C an octave downward. We get a drop 2 of the A minor triad root inversion. Now I'm going to be showing you the template, how to practice it, and how to use it effectively. All right, we're going to be doing this lesson in the key of C, and we're going to be using the C major scale to draw out our template. In that way, we have a drop 2 chord for each note. All right, so we'll start on the note C, and this is going to be our drop 2 voicing on that melody. So A on the left, and then F, C on the right, and then on the melody D, we have this drop 2 voicing, B on the left, G and D on the right. On the E melody, we'll have this drop 2 voicing, C on the left, G, E on the right. On the F melody, we'll have this drop 2 voicing, D on the left, A and F on the right. On the G melody, we'll have this drop 2 voicing, E on the left, C and G on the right. On the A melody, we'll have this voicing, F on the left, C and A on the right. Finally, we have on the B melody, we have this drop 2 voicing, G on the left, D and B on the right. Then we could just run that up by having the same voicing we had here. Okay, on the C melody, which is A on the left, F and C on the right. So you want to play that like you're playing, you're voicing the major scale with those drop 2 voicing templates. So to be this. And then you want to come back. Now it's important that you get this drop 2 template in your muscle memory. In that sense, it becomes more easier to play them, and you become more creatively free to voice out your ideas using these voicings. So now I'm going to be showing you 2 exercises you can use to get this drop 2 templates in your muscle memory. In that sense, your muscle memory does about 70% of the work. Your finger dexterity and flexibility does about 20% of the work, and you only have 10% doing the work from your creativity. So the first exercise is to play the drop 2 template and broken chords. So these are chords. We are going to break the chords by playing the notes one by one. So we'll have okay. Now, since we have already assigned a drop 2 voicing for each note, all we have to do is just follow the melodic line of the broken chords. So we'll have something like this. Now the second exercise is to play it in broken triads. So we have the basic chords, basic triads of the major scale: C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, back to C major. So we'll break these triads by playing the notes one by one. So we'll have so this is our melodic line, okay? All right, and then we're going to follow that melodic line with the already established drop to voicings, drop to chords we have on each note. So it's going to be this. And now we're going to go descending. This one is very, very challenging. All right, let's learn how we can use this drop to template effectively. One of the ways we can use it is to harmonize song. So let's take a song. We use the song, Yes, Jesus Loves Me. All right, you're going to play the melody of the song. That is the first step. And then the second step is to use the drop to template to harmonize the melody of the song. All right, so let's play the melody of the song, Yes, Jesus Loves Me. We'll start off from here. Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong. They are weak, he is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. For the Bible tells me so. Now we are going to harmonize the melody of this song using the drop to template. All right, so here we go. Now we could use this method to harmonize melodies of any song. Let's try one more song, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I'm going to harmonize the melody of the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star song using the drop to templates only. All right, so here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like her diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, and I wonder what you are. The second way we can use this drop to template in our playing is to use them as passing chords. Right? So let's take a song and then establish a place where we are going to pass, and then you will see how we can use the drop to template in that sense. So let's take the song, you are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised. Now a passing chord we can play here is A major, taking us to the 2. My Redeemer. Okay, so A major can serve as a passing chord to the 2. So what we can do is we can play the drop to templates on A major. Okay, and that's why it's important that you learn this drop to template all 12 keys. It's really going to spark a lot of creativity. All right, so we can voice the drop to template. You can just play any kind of melody we have, okay, on A major. Okay, any melody on A major, and then we go to D minor. All right, so let's try it. You are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised. My Redeemer, you are worthy to be praised. Let's try another example, passing to the 2. They are new every morning, new every morning. A major, so we can play drop 2 on A major there. Great is thy faithfulness, O Lord. Great is thy faithfulness. Now, another way you can use this drop to template is to use it to play talk music. All right, this just involves randomly picking out melodies and voicing them with the drop to template. So, for example, I'm just going to play something, let's say, yeah. I'm on A major, F sharp. It's much easier for me because I've practiced the template on all 12 keys, and that's why I said I'm on E flat now. That's why I said it's important that you learn it on all 12 keys. Okay, so I'm just playing random melodies with a drop to template. So you can try picking out maybe just a short phrase of melody. Let's say something like da. Let's go back to the key of C. So we'll do da 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 da. That's just a melody you can just phrase out. Da 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 da. See that? Da ba da 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 da. Da, 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 da. So that would be da, 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 da. See? Da, 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 da. And so as you begin to, make all the short phrases, you can just begin to just join them randomly. All right? Da, 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 da. You see that? All right, and if you really want to just keep going with the flow, here's what I would give you to do. You would transpose from C, okay, to A. So now I'm A major. Again, the drop to template. I'm not making anything, and I'm just playing the drop to template. I'm not adding any other extra chords, nothing like that. Just the drop to template to show you how powerful this template is. All right. So I'm playing A major. I'm on A major, right? Playing the drop to template. Maybe go higher here. Put it out again. I want to make one change. Like that. Wow. Maybe you can transpose from A to F sharp. I want to play that exact melody I did on A. extra notes. From F sharp, you can transpose to E flats, right? Let me try that exact melody we did again on E flats. Man, you can't lose with this template. This lesson shouldn't be free. I'm giving it out for free, guys. C, back to C, and they could just keep going, you know, from C to A, from A to F sharp, from F sharp to E flat, from E flat to C. Just keep creating different melodies. You can't run out of run out of any melody. You can't run out of melodies. You can't run out of creativity. You can't run out of options. They're too much, so explore them. All right.